How to buy Robux with Apple Pay. So here is a step-by-step guide on how to do so. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open the iPhone or iPad with Apple Pay setup or MacBook and install the Roblox or go to its website and make sure that you are logged in using your Apple ID. Now, once in there, all you have to do is tap on the Robux option available at the top. Now choose the Robux amount you want to buy. For example, 400 Robux, 800 Robux according to your preferences. Then you will see an Apple Pay pop-up with the payment summary. If not, then you have not linked your Robux account with Apple ID. Make sure your Robux account is created with the Apple ID in order to see the Apple Pay pop-up. Or you can tap on the other option available there, and there you will get to see card or debit card option available, and simply enter your Apple Pay information in there and wait for confirmation. Robux will be added to your account immediately. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.